Hi everyone, today we're diving into the magical world of silver clay to create a stunning ring. Let's jump right in. First, tear open the packaging and take out the clay. Before we start, make sure to apply some hand cream to keep your hands from drying out. We'll begin by using ring sizes and a mandrel to determine the perfect size for our ring. Keep in mind that silver clay shrinks about 6 to 10%, so always choose a ring size bigger than you need. Wrap a strip of paper around the mandrel at the size you picked and secure it with adhesive tape. Now take the clay out of its cover and knead it with your fingers. Then use the acrylic pressing tool to roll it into a uniform strip. Wrap the clay strip around the paper-covered mandrel and use a clay sculpting knife to trim off any excess. To create a textured surface at the joint, you can use a wire tool or scratch a hash pattern with the clay sculpting knife. Dab some water onto the joint with a paintbrush to help the clay bond. Gently hold the base of the ring with your fingertips while using a clay sculpting tool to smooth the joint out. This step may require some patience. Next, let's pick a gemstone for your ring. Today we're creating a ring with a separate setting for the gemstone. Flatten a small ball of clay with the acrylic pressing tool and press the gemstone into it. Alternatively, you can embed the gemstone directly into the ring's body. Make sure the clay fully covers the stone so it won't fall out later. Use the same technique we used for joining the ring to attach the setting to the ring's body. Smooth out the edges as needed. We're aiming for an organic textured ring with a natural shape. To achieve this, crumple a piece of paper and press it onto the ring's body to create an uneven surface. Carefully remove the paper-wrapped clay ring from the mandrel. To speed up the drying process, place the ring on a desktop coffee heater. Alternatively, let it air dry for about 20 to 30 minutes until it feels hard like plaster. Once it's dry, carefully remove the ring from the paper strip. Use sandpaper, starting with a low grit and working up to a higher grit to polish the ring. Remember, the ring is still fragile at this stage, so be gentle. Use a clay needle to remove any clay covering the gemstone and continue polishing until you're satisfied with the smoothness and shine. Now it's time for the grand finale. Place the ring on firing mesh and heat it with a camping stove or kitchen stove for about 20 minutes. Make sure to adjust the ring's position over the flame. After it cools, brush it with a steel brush or sandpaper to bring out that gorgeous shine. And just like that, your stunning handcrafted silver ring is ready to dazzle.